These are 5 motor oil brands sitting on the bottom shelf at Walmart, Costco, and Amazon, priced like an afterthought, while being manufactured by the same industrial giants that fill bottles for brands costing 2 or 3 times as much. Today, we're looking at who actually makes these budget oils, whether they're worth buying, and why paying more doesn't always mean getting more. The story starts with a company almost nobody talks about, Warren Distribution. Founded in 1922 in Omaha, Nebraska, it grew into one of North America's largest lubricant manufacturers. After becoming part of Highline Warren in 2020, the company expanded to dozens of facilities across North America, producing thousands of automotive products. The important part isn't the company history, it's that Highline Warren quietly manufactures motor oil for several major private label brands sold by some of the biggest retailers in the country. Let's start with the most recognizable one, Supertech, Walmart's house brand. Most Supertech motor oil is blended by Warren Distribution, although some regions have reportedly sourced certain formulations from companies like ExxonMobil or Pennzoil. Despite its low price, Supertech Full Synthetic carries the current APISP certification, and many versions also meet GM's Dexos 1 Gen 3 specification, both important standards for protecting modern gasoline engines. If you look at the bottom of many bottles, you'll often find a manufacturing code such as WPP, standing for Warren Performance Products, or HW, reflecting the newer Highline Warren branding. It's a small detail, but one that reveals who's actually behind the bottle. Next is Kirkland's signature, Costco's motor oil. Costco doesn't manufacture oil either. Highline Warren blends Kirkland's full synthetic oil as well. It meets modern API and ILSAC standards and is approved for GME engines requiring Dexos 1 Generation 3. Where Kirkland really stands out is value. Costco has sold 12 quarts of Kirkland synthetic oil for only a few dollars more than 6 quarts of Mobil 1 sold in the same store. You're paying significantly less per quart while still buying an oil that meets the specifications required by modern engines. Third is Mag 1, and this one is different. Unlike Supertech or Kirkland, Mag 1 isn't a store brand, it's Warren's own brand. Because of that, enthusiasts have debated for years whether Mag 1 is simply the same formula used for private label oils, or whether Warren reserves a slightly different additive package for its flagship product. Warren has never publicly confirmed the difference, so the debate continues. But either way, Mag 1 remains one of the better-known budget synthetic oils on the market. Fourth is MasterPro, O'Reilly Auto Parts house brand. This oil isn't made by Warren. According to O'Reilly, it's manufactured by Omni Specialty Packaging, a lubricant company based in Louisiana. Omni sources its base oils from companies including ExxonMobil and Shell, while its additive packages come from Lubrizol, one of the world's largest lubricant additive manufacturers. Even though the label says MasterPro, many of the ingredients come from the same suppliers used throughout the industry. The fifth brand comes with an interesting twist: Amazon Basics. When Amazon launched its own full synthetic motor oil in 2018, it was also supplied by Warren Distribution. It quickly became one of the cheapest fully synthetic oils available while still meeting industry certification standards. However, by 2025, Amazon discontinued the entire motor oil line. The manufacturer never changed, only the brand disappeared. So, if these oils are so inexpensive, how do we know they're actually any good? Independent testing provides some answers. Lubrication expert Lake Speed Jr., known as the Motor Oil Geek, compared Walmart's Supertech Synthetic with a well-known name brand oil using a specially built high-performance engine. His conclusion was simple: engines respond to the quality of the oil itself, not the name printed on the bottle. Another well-known tester, Project Farm, compared multiple motor oils across wear protection, viscosity, temperature performance, and additive content. While differences existed, every certified oil provided effective lubrication. The biggest variations were in extreme conditions and additive packages, not simply price. There is also an independent organization called the Petroleum Quality Institute of America, or PQIA. They regularly purchase motor oils directly from store shelves and test them against industry standards. When products fail, they publicly issue consumer alerts. That's an important reminder. Not every cheap motor oil is a hidden bargain. Some budget oils have failed independent testing over the years. The difference is that the brands in this video have documented certifications and established manufacturing histories. So, what's the takeaway? Supertech, Kirkland Signature, Mag 1, MasterPro, and formerly Amazon Basics all show the same pattern. The company blending the oil is often far more important than the logo printed on the bottle. Many budget oils are produced by the same manufacturers supplying major retailers, use additives from the same industry leaders, and meet the exact certifications required by modern engines. The next time you're standing in the oil aisle comparing a flashy premium bottle with a much cheaper alternative, don't focus only on the brand name. Look for the API certification. Check that it meets your vehicle manufacturer's specifications. And remember who's actually making the oil. Because sometimes, the cheapest bottle on the shelf isn't cutting corners. It's simply cutting out the marketing.